Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get these red brows. So I know that this is not the first time I've did red brows, but when I did it before I did get a lot of questions, and even on Twitter people was like, yes, make a tutorial. So yeah, it's really honestly super simple, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it, how to really get that perfect amount of red. If you want to have it a little brighter, you can definitely do that, but with this tutorial it's super simple and you can really take it to, you know, whichever direction you like. If you want it really red or if you want it burgundy, like, you know, I'll show you guys how you can do that. So yeah, it's really simple and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. And if you do these red brows, let me see you, let me show me some kind of pictures, tag me, share with me, because I definitely would like to see. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so basically you're just going to start off with your eyebrow pencil of choice. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to basically outline my brows. I'm going to line the top and the bottom, and since I don't have a tail, I'm going to take this time now to just fill it in. So now you're lightly going to fill in your brow, not too heavy, and you're not going to fill in the whole thing because we just want to have like a little base just so that the red isn't super red and looking crazy against our black eyebrow hairs. So now I'm using the Nicka K lip liner in the color red, and I'm going to use that to fill in my brow. So I'm going to go in lightly at first, only because I don't really want it that red, and as you'll see, I'm going to switch back and forth between both of the brow pencils. I'm gonna go in with the NYX pencil and, you know, fill it in, do some brown, then I'm gonna switch back to the red pencil just so that I could get that perfect balance. And here you're really just playing around with this so that you could get that perfect shade. So if you really want to go for a more red look, you're gonna go heavier with the red, and you're not gonna keep switching as often as I am, just so that the brow comes out redder. So it's pretty simple, and it's just really based on the look that you're going for. And yeah, I'm just switching back and forth and making sure that I brush through the hairs so that everything stays in place. And since it is a lip liner, it kind of, I would say, it kind of presses the hair down, and you don't really want it to be too stuck. You don't want it to look too crazy or harsh. So that's why you're just going to make sure you fill in, brush, so it's a nice even balance. Now, once I feel I'm approaching the shade of red that I'm looking for, that's when I'm going to go in with the red a little heavier. As you can see in the front, I went down pretty harsh, but don't worry, because you're going to use your brush and you're going to fade out and feather out the front just so that it's a bit more natural and we don't have boxy red brows. So as you can see, I'm done with one brow and I'm going to do the next. And yeah, I hope you guys understood, and if not, just watch this clip again and you'll definitely see what I did. And you know, the more you do it, the better you'll get, and it's really not that bad. Now we're on to a very important part. I'm sure everybody understands the importance of cleaning up your brows, but since we have red brows this time, it's super important and crucial that we clean up the bottom and the top, just so that, you know, you see how it's faded out the red. You don't want it to mix in with the rest of your foundation when you do your face. You don't want to, like, you know, be looking red. So it's really important that you take this step to conceal both the top and the bottom, just so that it's super clean and super flawless to really give that nice effect. I'm using a flat eyeliner brush by e.l.f. and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Now to really set and keep everything in place, I'm using this NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I love it. It's my holy grail. And now you're done with your red brows, girl. Go slay.